we are going to discuss about additions in fractions. Okay, additions in fractions. There are three kind of additions under fractions. First one with same denominator, different denominator, and mixed fractions. Okay, mixed fraction. We are going to analyze how to add a fraction with another fraction in different manners. First of all, first question. 2 upon 7 added with 3 upon 7. In here, first thing you should know, if the denominators are same while addition, if the denominators are same, okay, that is the major condition while we are going to add two fractions, okay. The denominator should be same. So here you can see both of these fractions, the denominators are exactly same in number. So we can write the same denominator to our answer also. Okay, same denominator to our answer also. Then after, furthermore, you should add your numerators. So in numerators, we have 2 and 3. When you add 2 and 3, that will become 5 upon 7. Okay, 5 upon 7. Here the thing you should understand clearly, that is, don't add the denominators. Okay, don't add the denominators. If the denominators are same, okay, we can add the fractions. Okay, for another example, let's see. 1 upon 14 plus 7 upon 14 plus 3 upon 14. Okay, before adding, you should find all the denominators are same or not. Here you can see all the denominators are same. So we can write the same denominator to our answer also and add the numerator values. 1 plus 7 plus 3. So 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, that will become 11. That will become 11. This is the way you should add the basic fractions with same denominator. And the next set of questions should be something like this. Okay, look at this. 4 upon 3 added with 16 upon 1. Okay, 16 upon 1. In this case, you can see one denominator is 4, another denominator is 16. Okay, one denominator is 4, another one is 16. Here, while we have to add two fractions, the denominator should be exactly same in number. Otherwise, we can't add the fractions. So for that, we have to think, can we convert this 4 as 16? Okay, if there is any possibilities to convert the smallest denominator to the highest denominator in a fractional addition. Okay, smallest denominator to the highest denominator, there is a possibility. That one to be, okay, when we multiply this fraction by number 4, okay, you should think something like this. Okay, we are going to find equivalent fraction for the given pre-existing fraction. The pre-existing fraction is 3 upon 4. We have to find the equivalent fraction for this. So 3 4s are 12 upon 16. 12 upon 16 plus 1 upon 16 does not change, because here why we are converting this fraction as a denominator to 16. Otherwise, we can't add the fraction. To add the fraction, the major requirement is to equalize the denominators first. Here you can see the denominators are not same. That's why we converted this denominator to 16 by multiplying by using number 4 to get the equivalent fraction. So then after, here you can see both of the denominators are same. So 16 is our common denominator. After that, let's add our numerator values. So 12 plus 1. So 13 upon 16. 13 upon 16 should be your answer for this given question. Next thing what we are going to discuss is when we have 2 upon 3 added with 1 upon 8. In this case, you can see there are two different denominators. Okay, two different denominators. We have to think, can we convert 3 as 7? Okay, if there is any possibilities to convert 3 as 8. Okay, 3 as 8. There is no any possibilities. Okay, in previous cases, okay, that is 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 16. What we did, the lowest denominator can be converted as the highest denominator in previous case, because 4, when we multiply this fraction by number 4, we can convert the denominator as 16. But when you look at this case, in this case there is no any possibilities like this, because we can convert 3 as 8. Okay, we can convert 3 as 8. For that, you should multiply this fraction by other denominator. Okay, this first fraction should be multiplied by other fractions denominator, plus the second fraction can be multiplied by the first fractions denominator. Okay, first fractions denominator. Why we are doing something like this, not like our previous one? In previous case, 4 can be converted as 16, but in this case, that there is no any possibilities to convert 3 as 8. That's why we multiplied the first fraction by the next denominator, that is 8. Okay, similarly the second fraction was multiplied by its previous denominator. Okay, previous denominator. Look at this example. So 2 8 are 15 upon 3 8 are 24, plus 1 3 are 3 upon 8 3 are 24. Okay, 24. Now you can see both of these denominator became same number. Okay, become same number. So furthermore, we can write the common denominator as it is. Then we can add our numerators. So 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3. It will become 19 upon 24. Okay, 19 upon 24. While we are going to add two fractions with different denominators, you have to think about it. Okay, if there is any possibilities to convert the lowest denominator to the highest one, you can multiply directly. Otherwise, you should follow this method. The first fraction should be multiplied with the denominator. Second fraction should be multiplied by the previous denominator. Then after the denominator will become 24, we can add the numerators itself. That's all. Here there are two questions. Let's try to find them. Okay. First of all, when we need to add two fractions, the thing what do we need to do is we have to think about our denominators. Is the smallest denominator, okay, if there is any possibilities to convert the smallest denominators to highest one, we can directly multiply. Otherwise, we have to multiply both of these fractions. Here you can see 3 is the smallest amongst the denominators. We can convert 3 to 7 directly. 3 to 7 directly. For that, the first fraction should be multiplied with the next denominator, plus second fraction should be multiplied with its previous denominator. Okay, this fraction was multiplied with this denominator. Similarly, the second fraction was multiplied with its previous denominator. That's the thing what we did here. Okay, the task is very easy. Then let's multiply. 4 3s are 12 upon 21 plus 1 7 are 7 upon 21. 21. So the denominator is same, 21 itself. 12 added with 7. 12 plus 7, it will become 19 upon 21. 19 upon 21. Okay. For our next question, let's see. In this case, it's little different than the previous one. The smallest amongst the denominators is 3. Okay. If there is any possibilities to convert 3 to 15.